You know that when you reach your full retirement age, you got to know what yours is. It's not 65. When you reach your full retirement age, that you can make as much money as you want for the rest of your life. That's easy. But what about the year you reach your full retirement age? I never talk about this because it's a little complicated. If you're going to reach your full retirement age in January, that's clean cut. That's easy. But what if you reach your full retirement age in December, at the end of the calendar year? The government gives you a break. You are not subject to the earnings limit for somebody that was up here. So let's say in this scenario, your full retirement age is going to be 67. Yours is probably not, but let's just say that for make it simple. Yours is 67. And your birthday is December. So from January to December, those months of the year you reach your full retirement age, you are not limited to the $21,000 limit that you can make on Social Security when you're under your full retirement age. Okay, so in 2023, it's about $21,000. If you go over that, for every $2 you go over, they'll reduce your Social Security by $1. So it's a big line in the sand you need to understand. 21,000. It's actually 21,240, but I always round it up. Okay, 21,000. And then for every $2, $1. But if you're reaching your full retirement age this year, the year you reach your full retirement age, you can make more than 21,000. It's double. You can make 56,520 bucks. So this is a fine but very important point for people that are really savvy about their money and want to how to grab it a little bit earlier, right? So you can make 56,000 and then file for your Social Security. If you go over it, so say your job pays you 60, they give you another break. For every $3 you go over the 56,000, they'll reduce your Social Security by $1. So they're giving you a little break there right before, and it doesn't really apply to people that their birthday's in the first couple months of the year. It's not really going to help you. But for people that are your birthday June, July, August, September, October, November, this is a way for you to make extra money at your job and have a lower penalty. So most of you are going to say, too complicated, I don't care, I'm just going to wait. And when I reach my full retirement age, I'll make as much as I want. For both the rest of you, you just have to understand that $21,240 does go up every year. So if you don't have my updated cheat sheet, my Medicare cheat sheet and Social Security cheat sheet with all these new numbers for 2023, go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. At the top is a tab that will say resources. Click on Medicare cheat sheet. Then it will ask you for your name and your email. It does not download now. It goes automatically to your email. Print that out. That's something everybody needs to have. When these things are coming up, you need to cross-reference when you're trying to learn and get prepared for your retirement. Even if you're in your retirement, these numbers change, and it's something that you should have as a resource around your house. So I hope it helps. If it does, all I ask is that you hit the subscribe button, getting you ready for retirement. Thanks. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.